Welcome to All Things Waffled, the show that asks not will it waffle, but should it waffle. I'm your host, Darren Stottrop. Join me and my guests as we find pre-made food items from our local restaurants and grocery stores, in a quest to find out which of those items can be improved by being waffled. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come. It's like a Lovecraftian monster.
Cheers.
Cheers. That doesn't seem right. What do we got? Oh no. Holy moly.
But like I said earlier, I wasn't too personally excited about eating raw fish the second day.
Right. Rice Krispie Treats and Unbreakable. The M. Night Shyamalan movie, we tried it. I actually was a big fan.
I think it should have been in the toaster.
If any of that looks good, make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more waffle goodness.